Hey, welcome back to Keep It a Secret Home and Garden. This is Bubba's Fix It playlist, where we talk about home repairs, home issues. I could link this back to my "Do you smell sewer gas in your home?" video. We could link that back. But hey, today join us. I keep running into defective products, and I'd like to show you something that I ran into on the job. Please join us. I installed this sink, and here's the water. I have the water running in the sink. Use the stopper. There's a black gasket in there. I had to silicone the gasket. The rubber gasket by itself would not suffice. And then I did have issues down here with this nut in the basket. I ended up siliconing that. But check it out. I am not the plumber. I am the plumber's son. I'll plug the hole till the plumber comes. Look at this. Is this something any of you guys have ran into? Here, I'll keep her plugged until the plumber comes. Check this out, man. Unbelievable. I don't think they completed the task at the factory. All right. So please leave your comments below and tell me, have you ran into defective products like this? I'd like to know. Please share that with me. And remember, keep it a secret, but go tell a friend. Bubbas Home Fix-It Tips is sharing home repairs and remodeling techniques around the world. So please, tell us your experiences with defective home improvement projects. Have you ran into much defective products? I run into almost every job now. I'm getting defective products. I'm starting to believe that they've sent quality control home and are pushing the bring it back to the store, no problem, bring it back, we'll give you another. But then the installer is stuck with the loss of time. So please leave your comments below. Tell us your experiences. We'd love to hear from you. And hey, remember, keep it a secret, but go tell a friend. Bubba's sharing tips around the world, home fix-it tips, giant pumpkins, giant watermelons, and more. Please join us. We're now growing over 41,000 subscribers and growing fast. Thank you. Thank you very much.